Ugh. Uh, folding. Let's see, that's the transaction. Right, okay. Now I can copy, oh, I just deleted it, that's fine. It wasn't doing anything. So here, const shipping amount equals shipping, and then I'm gonna have to have like the subtotal. Well, see, I'm gonna have to have things like the subtotal. What is that input? Shipping table. I like Dax. I like when these are named like what the thing is. Pairing with Dax, that's right. What's up, Rude Love? Welcome to chat. So like this is actually the shipping ID. User shipping ID. I just like that because it helps me know what the thing is. If I have a user shipping ID, I'm gonna actually need some information from the transaction, right? That should be named correctly. Yeah. I don't think I should do this outside the transaction because I actually need to make database calls in order to get the subtotal, for instance, right? Is there any reason why you didn't want it inside the transaction? Because I actually need it, and I'm gonna have to like inner join on. How do I calculate subtotal? Subtotal. How did I do that? I feel like you've done that somewhere. Here. Items. So all the items. Hang on. Generally, you should make API calls mid-transaction. I'm not making an API call. Oh, I am making an API call. Let's rethink that shipping function. Yeah. Let's rethink it. What do you mean? Oh, you mean, I think I know what you mean. You mean rethink this shipping function. Like right now, this is just some logic that handles the US case. We should update the cart first, write the transaction, okay? And I'm just pretending. You see me, Paul, you see straight through me. Okay, so I see what you're saying, Dax. Yeah, this function right now, I mean, this is important logic that we need, but it's incomplete. Things harder. And then shipping function just pulls whatever it needs from the DB to recalc. Okay, so this function actually becomes good. When do we make the API call, though? Cart shipping. We do make this call out here, too. I'll have to get back to that. Inside shipping, right? Oh, inside here we do the calc. Okay, yeah. So this function is going to become actually useful. I like it. So we're going to write to the database. Just like we were. Nothing here changed. And then, so this is going to be await, right? Only allowed. Oh. Am I on the right track, Dax? What font? Welcome to chat. It's a few different fonts. Victor, Mono mostly. I mean, we can move that function to shippo also, estimate shipping. Oh yeah, definitely. There'll be the API part will be wrapped in the shippo thing. Estimate cart. We want more longer DB locks, right? I mean, we can move that function to shippo also. So we make the transaction. We run the code to update cart the first time. We're going to end up updating it again. And then we say shipping amount equals await shipping, which I'm going to change the name of that. That sucks. It's going to be async as well. The name of that sucks, Dax. Or, hello, complexity. Welcome to chat. Shipping function is shipping subtotal weight address, which lets you estimate before writing to DB. Shipping subtotal weight address. Welcome to chat, Petite Code. Nice, very nice to catch you live for the first time. First time, welcome to chat. Aren't you afraid of hackers seeing vulnerabilities, or are you confident that you won't introduce any? I'm confident. I'm generally confident. I should probably learn how to code so I can understand anything. Calling it after is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just do it. We'll do it after. I see what you're saying. We could have done like the fetch. We could have fetched some data, done the shipping calc, and then come back and written to the. I mean, we are getting ready to write. We're getting ready to write to the cart table. Maybe we should just do that once. It does kind of feel bad to do it twice, right? Like we do the fetch information stuff in a separate transaction. Yeah. So would that be in a transaction next? Like, do I just split this up into 2 transactions? I don't know anything about databases. That seems right. Like, I shouldn't just do this outside of a transaction. It should be in, yeah, 2 transactions. Yeah. I still don't remember the difference in use transaction and create transaction, but that's okay. I don't need to. Look at that, 2 transactions. Boom. So this one I'm gonna have to return the shipping ID. But I need more than the shipping ID. What all am I gonna need from? So what is this first query doing? Wait. He says wait. No, Adam, no. Okay, what? I'm listening. It's fine. Calm down. You don't have to yell at me. Undoing. Redoing. Okay, we're back. What's up? Do you want to be on voice stacks? Are you getting too frustrated just trying to watch me type and say things? We can get on voice if you want. Adam, just cut the blue wire and you need to do a new transaction above this one. Oh, you're saying this is still going to need to... I feel like that query might change, but okay. So new transaction up here. And in this transaction, so generally speaking, in it you should calculate the subtotal and wait. Yes, I gotcha. It's going to be from what? Let's see. To do that, we're going to query the... Okay, the subtotal and the weight. I just need that from the cart. Chunky wedding ring. Cart item table. Yeah. So cart item table. Yeah. Where cart item table equals. So I have a user shipping ID. So I'm gonna have to join. I think that's. You tell me if I'm wrong. I think I'm gonna interjoin on user table. I forgot the join syntax. I need a join. Any join. Any join will do. There we go. Okay. Where was it? Cart. Okay. In here, we're going to do like that. Inner join on user table. I don't think you need to join on user table. Blah. Can you remove the sound of new follower alert? I'll take that under advisement. I hard-coded 12 ounces somewhere, but we should add weight to product variant table. We should, yes. I don't think you need to join on user table. Just select from cart item where user ID equals. Oh, well, I don't have the user ID. All I have is the user shipping ID, Dax. See what I'm saying? I feel like we should be on voice, but if you're in the shower and you can't do that, that's fine. I think. God, developer. Okay, calm down, Dax. You're working in bed? Is Liz asleep next to you? No, it's like 9 o'clock Eastern. There's no way. Can you not be on voice? You don't have to be on stream on voice, but you could be in my ear at least. Hey, thanks so much, Neurixius. Hey, Dax, join voice from the shower. That'd be fun. That'd be fun, right? Whisper sweet nothings. I can go on stream. Okay, I can go on stream on voice. That's what I said. Let's do that. Let's I'm gonna go on silent. Let's just jump in the or on fuzzy, I mean. Let's just jump in the Discord thing, Dax. Does that work? If we just jump on Discord? Oh, you're already in. Hey, how are you? Can you not have my audio come back through somehow? I hear myself talking. Wait, no, I don't. It's good, never mind. Can you guys hear him? Can talk, Dex. Say stuff again. No, no Dax. It's no Dax. Hang on one sec. How did I do this last time? Oh, I hate this. Yeah, that's the move. That's how I do it. Discord. Oh, when I hit this button last time, things got real gross. Okay, I'm gonna add it. We're gonna see what happens. Discord. Yeah, through the headphones, but that's no good. Okay, talk now. Can you hear Dax now? Try again. No, it's not working. Not right now, Paul. I saw that, but not right now. Discord. No, we're not doing it. We're not doing it, Dax. No. Dax wants it now. How do I delete that thing? I just want to delete it. Okay. Well, I did this last time and I don't remember how I did it. That should just work. I don't understand why loopback doesn't just work. Here, let me try this. Let me try settings on Discord. Voice and video. Okay, output device. So audio output device. Stream audio. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to... Oh, is this the thing that made the sound last time? Why is everything pixelated? Colonel Board, welcome to chat. It's pixelated because I'm trying to... I don't want to leak stuff. I'm trying to get Dax on here. Watching from Athens, Greece. Welcome, George Tekelis. Okay. I'm going to do this, and it's going to make an awful noise. I just know it. I just know it. I'm so sorry, Twitch, or everybody, in advance. Oh, delete. There's a delete button. I'm so sorry for what this is about to do, because I'm just sure it's going to be awful. But I'm going to do it. Here we go. Output device. Stream audio. No, not it. Not it. Not it. Ooh, told you. I knew it was going to do it. Turning audio down. Good job. If you turned audio down ahead of that, you saved yourself. Not it. Not it. I'm sorry, guys. No, they can't hear you, Dax. Man. What was the point? I was trying to make sure that that didn't work. It would have been great if that worked. Everybody's so mad. Okay, ads are going to be going. When you guys come back, I'll have it figured out. We'll have Dax on. I need a 2-minute ad break to figure it out. And it was time for ads anyway. Don't tase me, bro. It did sound like a taser, right? Okay, welcome to chat, all the people who are laughing about that awful sound. I'm so sorry. I do make fun, Cam. I do make fun of Dax for his audio issues. Okay, Dax, I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. Maybe you should just be in my ear and nobody can hear you. What do you think about that? Is that fine? Oh, it's this right here. It's going to seem like I'm really smart. I think I found it. The problem is when I enable this. Okay, talk. Dax, you're probably hearing music twice. How about now?
Can you hear me?
They don't want to risk showing Dax's face. Music is doubled. Okay, I turned music double off. Huh? What's against?
Hear me.
Yeah. What's against terms of service? Oh, I remember what the problem is. So doing this now means my VODs are screwed. I'll just stop. I'll stop music. Yeah, I'll stop music while Dax is here. Okay, no music while Dax is here. That's just the rule. Can you talk again, Dax? I want to just check your levels.
Hello, hello, hello.
Do it again.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Now we're good. We're all set.
I'm confused why your audio is set up, because I don't think you do anything audio-wise that's more than my setup. right?
No, it's just the software doesn't work. I don't know why loopback doesn't work with Discord. It
But
should.
I don't use any external thing. I can just do everything through OBS.
Uh, well, I could do everything through OBS, but I'm trying to pipe my music only to one channel.
But I do that in OBS too.
I don't know. I don't actually know what's complicated about it anymore. I don't remember. I set this stuff up like a year ago.
Yeah, I think you used to do like crazier stuff, but now you just have your voice, your music, and then like desktop audio.
But my music is desktop audio. Oh, I
Yeah,
could.
I think sometimes if what do I do? Oh yeah, I'll route. Well, there's two. Oh, I guess when we stream our podcast, I add another output audio device, which is my headphones, because I don't usually use those. So music goes to speakers, voice goes to
Okay.
headphones, and that shows up as two different things in
Yeah,
OBS.
there's some complicated things I do. I'm remembering now. How I route my mic to my camera, for instance.
Oh,
Anyway,
right.
anyway. Okay. Any excuse to shill our podcast? That's right. Okay, welcome to chat the Brandero. Okay, Dex, let's do it. It sucks not having music, but ads are over. We're back. Here we go. Okay, Dex. So you're saying I do need to interjoin because I only have a user shipping ID. That I can't get cart
Oh,
stuff.
I see.
You see what I'm
Sorry, I
saying?
thought you. No, but you have the user. You have to use user ID. You
Oh.
always have the user.
Oh, so
By the way,
I
this is
always
the
had the
thing
user.
that we have to make sure we remember. Like pretty much every query needs to be using that. Because I saw that we had this is my fault, but
A one?
when we're doing set payment on cart,
Yeah.
we weren't we were just taking the ID and setting the payment. So you could like set someone else's payment if you
Oh,
knew the ID.
jeez. Yeah, we always got to
Yeah, so
scope it to the
we gotta make
user.
sure we're always doing where it's kind of just like the workspace concept.
Yeah. Yeah. How much of the API is locked down for only like us to edit products and stuff, for instance? Is that stuff? What do you mean? Like the SDK has calls for it,
For editing products?
doesn't it?
No. Our public API doesn't let you do anything
You sure
like
about
that.
that? Oh, okay. No, it does. Oh, list products. Okay, you're right. Okay, that's fine. But it's not exposed even?
No, it's not.
How do you do it through interval then? How does interval work? What does it
That's
hit?
the magic of interval. You just import the function.
What? Are you
That's why I've been
serious?
so obsessed with it.
That's so cool. It doesn't even hit our APIs. It's just
Yeah,
like takes our
go to
TypeScript.
interval/product.ts.
Product.ts. Which one of these is it? Is it this one?
Is one inside
No.
interval?
Yeah,
Wait,
I
why
know.
is it truncated?
I don't know. I don't know. That was really annoying. Okay, product.ts. There we go. Teej.
Also, like, it's just kind of annoying because my video's on a delay. You can't share your screen, can you?
Share my screen. What do you mean? I am sharing my screen. What are you talking about?
On Discord? Like I'm saying my
Oh, you want to see it on Discord? Okay, yeah.
share editor maybe.
Yeah, hang on. I can do that. Where's the voice call? Wait, I don't know how to do that. Oh, here we go. Share your screen.
I'm not sick. I'm just lying at a weird angle.
I'm gonna do the turn on camera, and I'm gonna choose. No. Should I do that? I feel like sharing my screen is more intrusive. Do you agree? I could turn on my virtual. Start virtual cam.
Oh, I see.
Uh, does that work when it's not fuzzy?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Okay, so let me just.
I just full screen this
Things
though.
are too complicated. It's too complicated around here.
Okay, we're good. Okay, so yeah, or no, scroll
You were just
down.
showing me interval stuff. Yeah.
There's like an edit. Uh,
I don't
edit
care.
product.
I don't care
That's
anymore, Dax. I don't care anymore, by the way.
But I want to show it because I'm just in love with it, so I just want to talk
Okay.
about it.
Okay.
So yeah, look at that. Await
Wow.
product edit.
That's
Just
pretty cool.
Building the form
Just
and
that
then
that's like a core function and you just do that. That's pretty cool.
yeah, so there's no other API you have to maintain.
I love
This is
it.
Can you believe this founder quit?
Quit
Can you
what?
believe?
Interval is no longer like actively developed or something?
Yeah, it was like some kind of acquihire situation. Some other company bought it, and they're like slowly
Really?
open sourcing it.
That's wild.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
really like to me. This is like $100 million idea at least.
Just because they import TypeScript functions, you're,
Yeah,
you're
it's huge.
sold. Okay, let's actually get to the business of selling coffee to people overseas. So transaction, I can just use user ID.
Yeah.
So let's see, cart item table, where cart item user ID. Yeah. What am I doing here? This is nothing. No, just no.
No, you just want to calculate you want subtotal and weight. So you basically just need to do count, select one that's a count and select one that's a sum.
What? Count?
Do Yeah,
What?
and then just do a count of all the rows you get.
How do you do a count?
Oh, actually, no, it's not a count. It's well, you have to do. They're actually
Drizzle.
both sums. You have to sum quantity or whatever,
Okay, just like this.
and then pass in the
Cart
colon.
item table that quantity
Yeah, and then do the same for amount.
amount. Why is my brain dying? Uh, what's amount?
Or
It'd be the product variant
oh
price.
we do have to join. Yeah, we
Yeah,
do
we
have to join.
do.
Yeah.
I knew we'd have to join on something. Product variant table. How? What's this syntax? I always forget the join
EQ.
syntax.
Yeah.
What was it?
EQ. Like
EQ. Yeah,
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 that's a function.
yeah. Okay, product variant table dot ID, I think,
Yep.
equals cart item table dot product variant ID. Okay, so we have an inner join on product variant table. Man, no music sucks, Dak. Dak? Dax. Whatever. I need music. Okay, count and amount. What is this again? What are we doing? I just forgot what we're doing. That's all.
Oh, sorry. I guess you don't. Wait, hang on.
Count
Give me
and
a second.
amount. Why are they strings?
The sum. Hang on.
Use your big
It
brain,
should be the
Dax.
sum of product variant table times cart item quantity.
Okay, so
Do
I
not
can
okay. If you don't like doing things in SQL, that's fine. You can just
yeah, I can just do it
select.
in memory, right? Just down here.
Yeah.
If you want me to do it in SQL, I can do it in SQL. I'll do it in SQL. It's fine. Do you want me to do like the SQL thing? This
Yeah, but
nonsense?
I think count is fine, right? Count is just a total number of items
Oh,
in the cart.
we still need that. But
Yeah.
amount is going to be SQL. And then what do I do in here?
It's SQL sum of
Can you just put the product the table names in here? What do you do?
yeah, with the template string. No, it's exactly what you have.
Oh, with the
Yeah,
template
like
string. Okay.
that.
So product variant table dot price, and it's that time like this, like times
Yeah, but they need to go inside the sum.
inside the sum. Oh, sum of price times cart item table dot quantity. Okay.
Yep, and then close parentheses.
Okay,
I think
so
that works.
so for Twitch chat's benefit, not just Twitch chat, YouTube chat too. For chat's benefit, because I'm totally tracking. This is like easy stuff. But like just in case somebody's not following along, let's just figure out what we just did here. We're just getting the what? Why is amount an unknown?
Yeah, so you have to. So I've had this issue where SQL tag takes a generic, so you can specify what type it is,
Mm-hmm.
and you would think it's number, but it's actually coming back as string for me. And I know this is like a drizzle issue.
Oh yeah, it's true. So it is a string, and we have to like parse it.
Yeah,
I saw this
and
too.
I don't know why count.
Why is
can be
count a
used.
number? I mean a string. Shouldn't that be quantity is a number?
For some reason, like sums are it's like always coming back as a string, but it's fine. We'll just parse it.
Okay. So we'll parse those. Okay.
But you have to also select the first row
Okay.
and just assert that it's not undefined.
You're so needy. Okay. Done. Now we have some information. We have a count and an amount. Now what do I do, Dax? What am I doing? Okay, so I can use my brain. Count and amount, I can now calculate the subtotal. So const subtotal, right? Did I lose you?
Yeah. Subtotal is just your amount.
Oh, that is the subtotal.
Yeah, but the weight
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to calculate, right?
These are ints, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The weight I have to calculate.
Yeah, because it's because we haven't added the weight to the product
Done.
variance.
Nope, didn't work. Okay.
Weight is just response dot count times 12.
Oh, right. Because they're all, yeah.
Well, yeah, but we'll fix
Count
that.
times 12. Because the weight's in, the weight is in ounces. Is that right? What's wrong with this?
Yeah, if for some reason that's nullable. I don't know why.
Should it be? Oh, count? Is it count that's nullable?
Yeah, it's count because that sum function is saying that this can always be nullable, so you can just assert that it's not.
What? Yeah, why is that? Can I do it right here? No. Where can I assert this? Just down here. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have subtotal and weight in ounces.
Why? And that should be float. What should be float?
What should be float?
Nothing should be float.
They're all pennies. All a bunch of pennies. You can cast the sums as integer, by the way. Hey, some years says we can cast. Yeah, we're not doing floats. Welcome to chat, Tim T. Sorry, what's that?
I was gonna say we store it as the smallest unit in the currency that we're operating with. So in our case, it's pennies.
Can I just call this subtotal? Wait, oh no, the subtotal is I have to add all the amounts together, right? Oh, we are summing them. Yeah, it's a subtotal.
You can call that. Whatever. You can call that subtotal.
It's because it is the subtotal. Yeah. Okay, so we have weight and subtotal. Now we can calculate shipping?
Yeah.
And this dumb function.
Need, right? Because you're getting the. Well, you have to look up the address.
Oh, yeah, we need the address, which I can grab. Can I just return it in this thing? We have a card item. Yeah, I can get the shipping.
You have to do another query.
Another join, right? No?
Just query the user shipping table for the user shipping ID that came in.
Why?
How else are you gonna get the address?
Can I not join on that first query?
I guess you can.
Why can't? Yeah, why can't I? I'm already making a query. I got this, Dax. You just lay in bed there. Don't you worry. User shipping table. The ID, and it's just this. User shipping ID. Man, I wish I had music. Okay, so now I can select the address is what? User shipping table dot address? No. Yes, address. Okay, so now I have the address, which is a address. Feels good. Okay, now I can calculate shipping.
Yeah, I guess now you can implement the shipping function.
So what do you want to name this? What should this be? Calculate?
Well, I was wondering if this should be on the Shippo module.
Well, but part of it's Shippo. Do you just want all of it to be in Shippo, maybe? Even though only international. I mean, we're only deriving shipping costs for through Shippo for international. For
Isn't it
US,
for international or anything below the free shipping threshold?
below the free shipping threshold, we just charge $8, right?
Well, now that was just for simplicity to avoid having to talk to Shippo.
Oh, you
But
want to
now we
actually do
can
it?
do that.
Yeah, okay. That feels
But I
good.
think you're right that that doesn't belong
It doesn't belong on
there
Shippo.
because the free shipping threshold definitely doesn't belong on the Shippo module.
Right.
Yeah, so you can just implement it all here.
Okay, but what should we call this? Calculate shipping? Cart
Uh,
or shipping
I guess
amount?
it's estimate shipping. I don't know. I don't know. You pick the name.
Oh, don't make me do that. No matching language servers. What? New name. Calculate shipping. Yeah.
Ooh,
What?
ooh! Look what Think Out Loud said. Can you try that?
Think out loud. The type string on the sum is derived from the driver. Need to do a map with number after the SQL statement. Ooh.
So at the end of the template string, do dot map with number.
Map with. Welcome to chat, Pratik. Map with and then number.
Is that a wait? You're doing a completely random ass place. I think.
What? I am?
Where are you doing this?
What are you Oh, this is not the right place. What is this code? Quantity. What is this subtotal? Oh, we're already doing this down here in the list. Oh, okay. This is not the right place, though. It's right here. Map with number.
Oh, that's cool.
So you're
That's
saying
cool.
that'll
Thank
work?
you for that.
And then
That's what we're missing.
don't do this then? Don't do the generics?
I don't know if you need the generics. Yeah, try removing it. And is it you get a number? now?
Number.
Oh, nice.
So
And
then
you
what
can do
about
that on the sum also? Yeah.
map with number?
There you go. Now you don't have to parse it. That's cool.
Oh, look at us. And it's not nullable either.
Yeah.
Look at Twitch chat. You guys are the
Now
real
you don't need
MVP.
to like pull this stuff out.
Oh, just like, yeah, just as long as I leave it. Oh, this one, I guess I gotta multiply by.
You can do it when you're calling the function.
You can do it when I call the function. What? Okay. Sorry. My wife hates when I do that. I just still do that like stupid
I
joke
do
where
it all
like,
the time, too.
do you really? Okay. Like anytime she
Yeah.
says something like, you did something. Thank you so much. Think out loud. What? You're the real MVP. Really. That was just incredible.
Ion STV3 have a mono creation, aka a SAS starter kit. We do have a mono repo example in the examples folder. I'm definitely not building a SAS starter kit. That makes sense too much.
That's funny. Okay, calculate shipping is an async function, and we're going to pass into that what? The weight and the address? Is that right?
And
Or there's something else.
subtotal,
And
right?
subtotal.
Basically, we can estimate shipping if we know where we're shipping it to, how heavy it is, and how much it costs.
Yeah, so subtotal. I guess that'll be first. We'll stick with that. Subtotal weight, which is in ounces?
Yeah,
Maybe I
it's in
should
ounces.
call it. I don't know. That seems
I'm gonna call it
important.
ounces.
Oh, yeah. Ounces.
You
Address.
might use W or B.
What? You mean like them?
Like- Yeah.
Sometimes. Not very often. It just doesn't feel that much faster. I don't know. I want to start.
Watching it with the keyboard.
All right. So this is gonna be subtotal and then weight and then address. What's wrong? What's wrong with response dot subtotal? Stop. Shut your mouth. Okay, sorry. I'm so aggressive right now. Shipping amount. Okay.
That's funny. I don't know the type that's either.
Subtotal ounces address. Okay. So if so we need to know
It's not international.
if not address dot country. Wait, no. If address dot country equals US, then do these things. But it's not going to be those things, right? We're not going to do the return 800 either. Okay, so I'm going to do this. To uppercase, just in case. If that and subtotal is greater than or equal to, see what I'm getting at? Free shipping threshold. return 0. Otherwise, for now, we're just returning 800, but we're going to change that. So otherwise, we have to call shippo, right?
Yeah, get the estimate.
Okay, and let's implement that real quick. I guess I don't need you for that, unless you want to just stay on. You can stay on as long as you want, Dax, but I don't want to keep you on here for stuff I don't need.
Yeah, stay on for a bit. I gotta go Zuko bubble time soon.
Oh, bubble time with Zuko. Welcome, Poroshiba, to chat. Don't hard code. Well,
Everyone's so angry at the hard coding.
I like to
the
hard
times
code.
12.
Okay. The times 12. Where's that? Where did we times 12?
Well, there's no point fixing that because I'm just gonna fix it by putting it in a database soon.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Shipping them out. Okay. Should I go ahead and finish? Maybe this is the part I could use your help. So once I have shipping amount, I guess I'm just gonna return it.
Yep.
Right.
In the transaction, and then you
Yeah.
can just set it when you insert. So then also on
What were you gonna say?
On the set, I forgot. We have
Yeah,
like a set
I got you.
For
thought you were gonna say
quantity.
Put it in there.
Yeah,
Set on the cart. What would it be? Setting item quantities.
Like, where's that function? I forgot what it's called.
It's like set item. This one.
Yeah. So here you do the opposite. You get the address. Well, I guess you have to get the address in both cases. I guess you do the same thing, except you have to calculate the subtotal, weight, and whatever here, but you have to factor in the arguments that are coming into this function.
So like you just change the quantity. Okay, think. So you're modifying. Yeah. It's the same code, but we have to factor in that this product variant has a new quantity, right?
Yeah. So you can. I'm gonna let you figure this one out.
Oh, don't do that to me, Dax. So high level structurally, the transaction situation, like what is going on here? If input quantity is less than 0, we're deleting. I feel like there's a lot in here I have to think about, and that's not good.
Query, but you ignore the you do where not equals the product being set.
What are you talking about right now?
Well, I have to see where you're confused first.
Everywhere. The set item function. I'm confused. I'm on stream, so I'm confused about literally everything. If quantity is less than 0, is this going to factor in? Like, what are all these extra things?
This transaction is just fine.
Just leave it all like this. I just need to ultimately have here, when we insert into cart item, here.
It's the same as the other one where you have to create a new transaction at the top to pull out some stuff first.
Yeah, and shipping amount is what I need to be able to set at the end, right?
Yeah.
Oh, previously I was just no-opping this, but now it's actually going to be shipping amount, right? So I need a shipping amount. All this stuff stays the same.
Why are you no-opping it?
Because I want to ignore when there's dupes, right?
Dupes? What?
If there's a cart already, I don't know.
Oh, if there's a cart already.
Just do nothing if there's already a cart for the user, right?
Oh, by the way, to know up it, there's a dot ignore. So dot.
Oh, there is? Are you sure that works? Are you sure that works in?
Not there. Like below the line that says insert. Dot ignore. Yeah.
You sure it works on Planet Scale? I guess.
Yeah. We're using other places.
Okay. Well, I don't.
Yeah, but you're right that we have to set the shipping amount.
Okay, so I have to calculate the shipping amount. All this stays the same, and I just okay. Yeah, okay, I can do this. I can do it with chat's help, and then I can listen to music. Are you done? You off here yet? You still here?
You're gonna be begging for me to come back.
I really am. I really am. Yeah. But for now, you're good.
Yeah. Well,
okay.
I should ask you, are you good?
No, but let's try. Thanks, Dax.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Okay. I'm fuzzy right now, right? Yes. I can turn off this stupid thing. mute that, and unmute that, and I can play music again. Feels good. I'm still going to be super lost, but at least now I get to listen to music. What NVim plugin does that collapse thing? I don't even know if it's a NVim plugin so much as it's just, what are those called? You know, folds. Every time Adam codes, it's technically a hard code. I was going to buy coffee, but couldn't figure it out if it was whole beans or ground. It is whole beans. Might want to add that. Wait a minute, Nava codes. Wait a minute. Now, I'll take responsibility when we screw up. I will. I sure will. But I'm pretty sure it says whole beans. It does not. Okay, feels good. So we need to add it to the. I thought it was on the variant. I thought we had medium roast, 12 ounces, whole beans, but we don't. So good call out. Great call out, actually. It is whole beans, just so you know. You know how you added medium roast 12 ounces to product variant? I think we should add another field. Another field to product that's like type or something. Okay. For medium roast. But what makes medium roast the type versus whole bean the type? I think you're just describing aspects of the variant, right, Dax? Right? They're all whole beans. Yes, Neochromer. Every blend is whole beans. Okay, back to work. So we got to do this before I forget everything I just learned from Dax. So we got to calculate shipping amount. And to do that, this transaction needs to be wrapped, first of all, like this. Oops. Return. Okay, so now I can work with this because this is the thing I'm returning, but up here I can do other things. And other things include this stuff. Kind of. So what doesn't work about this? For one, that's async. Does this just work? No. So what's different here? The input, again, terrible name. That's not terrible because it's actually an object. We have the ID, the product variant ID, and the quantity. The ID would be the cart item. Yes. So we have the cart item ID, the product variant ID, I need the user shipping table. So I need to get the user shipping ID from what? From the cart. From the cart item table dot. No. Dax is telling me right now. Cart shipping ID. Cart table. Why is my brain so broken? Shipping ID. Wait. Yes, because that's the one that they set. There's a chance this returns 0 rows because no shipping is set. Just return early. Okay. I really do feel like streaming affects my brain abilities. Sleeps 3 hours a day and wonders why his brain is broken. I am having an issue with sleeping. Adam's brain's gonna melt in 3 minutes. Okay. So what did you say about medium roast? Isn't an aspect of the variant, it's an aspect of the product. No, it's an aspect of the variant, right? We could have, oh, no, you're right. Also, this is dumb. I love you, Dax. Okay, so wait. Do I have everything I need? If I'm ultimately the where clause is just user ID, and this could return nothing, so I should not do that. If response is undefined, if not response, return what early? It costs $300. What? I hear terminal coffee grinder in the future. I'll buy. Yeah, that would be so cool to do. Eating meat helps. $400. Hey, Dax, return early. So let me think about this. If you're trying to get the count, well, we're trying to calculate shipping amount. Ultimately, we want a shipping amount. Okay? The amount it costs to ship. if there are no items, if this cart is the first, it's the first one you added. It's such a struggle. The gears grinding got me, Paul. This isn't even the brave out part. Yeah, well, I'm streaming, Dax, okay? So wait till you calculate this. I'm trying to cover the base you just said. You just said, I'm like crying, I'm laughing so hard. You just said something about returning early, and now I want to just do that part. If there's not a response, that means there's no cart item. So if there are 0 items for this particular product, and they add the first one, then when we run this query right here, I'm putting it together. When we run this query, there will not be a cart item table. I mean, a cart item record for this. Well, that doesn't make sense. We're getting all of the items? Oh, because we're trying to calculate the whole cart, not just this specific item. Smoke coming out of his ears. We're trying to calculate the whole cart, but there might not be anything in the cart. In that case, shipping still has an amount. That's what I'm hung up on. Or no, I guess it wouldn't cost anything to ship it if there's nothing in the cart. Switch user shipping table join to a left join. Question, is that only here or in the other one as well? Check if null and return early. Okay. What am I returning? 0? Return what? Return what early? So we left join on user shipping table. Why can't I get this in my brain? That means they haven't set a shipping address? If not, response.address. Why is this so hard? Why is my brain so... Why? And I'm returning 0? Return null. Why is this so hard? I shouldn't write business logic. Just like you don't write APIs, I don't write business logic, okay? You have the yips now, maybe. You don't like the look of my new keyboard ear holes, McGee? It's literally got, this is the funniest coding interview ever. It's literally got wood on it. What's up, Tejas? I've been feeling overwhelmed with all the learning lately. How do you manage information overload? I feel like I'm stuck in this loop. Any suggestions? Well, you're watching me melt down right in front of your eyes. I literally don't remember how to do anything. Imagine Adam trying to interview for a job. I've never had to. So it's funny that you say that. I would probably fail any interview. Okay. Like the most basic Dell 90s keyboard. It's a mode. It's a mode keyboard. And it's excellent. Okay, so if we're returning null for shipping amount, because what? Could you just say in English, Dax? Could you just say why, what condition this would be? So this would mean there was no address. That means they haven't set a shipping address yet. So the shipping amount is null. If they have no shipping set, we want to set shipping. We want to set shipping estimate on cart to null. Got it. You got off too early. Okay. So shipping amount can be null, and that's valid. Totally makes sense. Now I got to calculate subtotal. Okay. So from cart item table for the user, inner join on product variant table. Adam is going to die trying to calculate. No, I'm not. Watch me first try it. Just watch. First try right here. Left join. Okay, user shipping table. This isn't cart item table product variant ID. It's wait a minute. They're setting a specific product variant ID. So I have to add something to a quantity. I'm not gonna first try this. Those headphones are getting more. You guys are just making me laugh so much now. I need to calculate subtotal. The reason this code isn't good, just off the top, I believe it's not good because they're changing the quantity, and we haven't done that yet on the table. I know that's the problem. The problem is one of these items. So we're summing all of the quantities, so we know a total count. What did we do with the count of items anyway? Like up here, what did we do with count? So shipping amount here. What did we count times 12? Oh, to get the weight. That's right. Okay. That's what I needed to remember. Where am I going? Okay, so back down here, set item. Okay, I'm gonna ignore you guys and just pretend you're not there and just see if my brain works. So the count of item, unless Dax already gave me the answer, null will explicitly set to null vegetables. Undefined won't say anything is equal. Yeah. Okay, so Dax is gonna let me figure this out on my own. That's good. That's good. We're summing all the quantities, but then we have to change the quantity for the one item. Can I do this in SQL? Can I do this in SQL? You want to watch me struggle? Okay, I'm going to figure it out. It's fine. And then we're doing the subtotal by calculating price times quantity. Makes sense. So that product variant times the quantity. I shouldn't put a conditional in here, right? I'm just going to do this normal SQL stuff, and then I'm going to change the subtotal down here. I'm going to do it in memory. So now instead of count times 12, what if I did this? Because we're getting all of them. He's going to try doing it in memory and then realize it's too hard. You can do it in SQL if you're not a completely... Man, you got me really... I'm just laughing a lot. So then I guess if I do it in the SQL, I have to be able to like determine What if I joined twice? Did I just figure it out? What if I joined on product variant table twice? What if I did that? And I modified this join. Can't you do like where clauses on joins? Adam doesn't dev. That's funny. Hang on, I gotta do some Googling. Drizzle, it's just SQL. Join, inner join with where clause. Yeah, with where condition. This is a thing you can do. Inner join on, oh, yeah. Okay, so check it out. I got this. What if I did this? What if I said, I need to like name these though? Oh, there's ads starting. Well, we're cooking right now, so I'm gonna snooze those ads. We are on to something. Watch me. I'm gonna figure this out. How do you drizzle inner join name? How do I name the joins? How do I name them? Select from left join. Like an as. I need like an as. Is that a thing I can do, Dax? Just tell me that at least. Because if I have two of them, I have to be able to reference one or the other, right? Left join name. Come on. Or as? No. Yes, join, but not the way you think. I was just kidding. You can do it in memory. Should I do it in memory? I don't feel like it's any easier in memory because the problem with in memory, like my instinct is to do two different joins. One where it's the product variant ID is not equal to and one where it is equal to, and then do two different subtotals, two different counts based on that join, right? No, that won't work. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're doing it in memory. You just count the sum. You just count the sum. Oh no. Oh no. Where did my chat go? Hang on. I missed it. Oh no. Did it clear it? No. You just count the sum and carry over the integers if the amount is not null, so you don't take an average. What? Group by on your condition? Ooh, I really don't want to introduce some group bys. So the problem, I just need to be able to subtract the right amount. But in order to do that, I need to know the count for, okay, so I just need to be able to select target count, target quantity, cart item table dot quantity, but it's not cart item table dot quantity. Yes, because the count is related as long as you select it. Like, as long as I know, if I can just know the quantity for the particular variant, then I can do the calculations, right? But this is going to be another join, maybe? I just don't know how to do as or anything. I don't know how to have like two joins on the same table. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to know this one where product variant ID equals the input dot product variant ID. You know what I mean? Someone tell me how to do it. I would have been done 5 minutes ago. I'm sure you would have, Dax. So just tell me how to do it. Have you considered rounding it? No, I have not considered it. You need to normalize it. Dax, would you just do this? Just write the code and just paste it in chat for me. Laughing to hide the thing. Exactly. This is not my thing. I'll do this part. Just skip this and implement the shipping function. Okay. But what do am I just skipping this function? I can leave what we did up here. This is all fine, right? Shipping amount up here was fine. I'm just gonna undo the set item part, right? Right. No, Samir, I'm just gonna skip this. This is just not a thing I want to do. It's not a thing I want to figure out. I'm just gonna not do set item, Dax. That's all. I'm just gonna leave this to you. But Dax, look, I'm doing something. I'm doing shipping amount. Shipping amount equals 0. Okay. So you can implement this, but don't do it and then create conflicts for me. That won't work. He's too dumb. Stop it. Okay, ads are starting. When you come back, we'll have made some actual progress. Welcome to chat, Dojo Drummer. Cannot watch SQL in the background while working. Love the sound of your keyb. Missed opportunity for personal growth. I don't really want any personal growth, if I'm being honest. Dax, don't just make the changes locally and create conflicts for me. I'm going to commit this. How do I commit this, though? I don't know. Figure it out, Dax. Don't step on me. Don't tread on me. Okay, set card. Set shipping is good. Now that I have that, I can actually calculate this. Calculate shipping. I can do this part. So if the country isn't or is US and it's greater than the free shipping threshold, we return 0. Otherwise, we're going to go into Shippo and create a calculate shipping or estimate shipping. Okay, I can actually do this. This is stuff I can do. Estimate shipping rate. I'm sorry that I'm going to work through the ads. I'm going to work. Adam's very good at making HTTP requests. It's so true. Okay. I'm so good at it. Look how good at it I am. Okay. So I'm going to make ultimately a call to, we just looked at this earlier. Rates at checkout. Update default person. No, what? Generate a live rates request. request. Fully formed address object. Okay, this is fine. So the shape of it is I have to have line items, address from and to, and parcel. And parcel can be, okay, I know what to do. It's post live rates. So post live rates. Okay, it's gonna have a to address. It's gonna have line items. It's gonna have similar things to both of these, but different. And then the response. Ultimately, the response is going to be, what do I want to pass into this? So estimating shipping for a, not an order ID, but a user ID. It's like the card ID, but like we don't really use the card ID. So you're just skipping calculating totals in your AWS core. That's funny. That's pretty funny. I should have peed. Actually, I do have to pee. I'm going to go to break while the ads are still running for 10 seconds. I'll be right back. Ah! All right. Dax is doing that thing. I'm coming back over here. You guys are back from ads, right? Yeah, 34 minutes. Okay, cool. Let's see. So I'm going to get a bunch of data. We'll get to that in a second. And then down here, I need to post to live rates. And the shape is what? And I kind of hate this website. Create a new order. Is this it? Live rates? I can't see anything unless I make it huge. And I don't want to make it huge. Can I not collapse this sidebar? Oh my god, this is so bad. So bad. I have to like make it take the whole screen. That's orders. I don't want orders. This is the wrong thing. No. Live rates. Rates at checkout. Okay. So here's the shape. Address from, address to, line items, which have similar shape. Quantity, title. No. Yes. Title, quantity, weight, and weight unit. Okay. So that's all the same. To address is the same. It has to have a from address, which order didn't. So we'll drop that in. And then a parcel. So all of this. Oh, can I not? You can also enter the object ID of an existing user project. So I guess it's going to give me rates, plural, multiple rates. Let's see what it returns. Let's just let's get rid of all this. Line items, address, this is address to. And then I need an address from, and then I need parcel, which is going to be, okay, I know what I need now. I know what I need. So shipment, address from, like that. We'll dry that up in a little bit. Address from, and then parcels, yank, let's do yank in there. Okay, we'll dry all this up. So shipment, parcels, let's see. Customs, no. Okay, all that goes away now. And then the result of all this, I'm not updating the database, right? I'm just going to return it. I'm just going to return, I'm going to return the rate or something. I don't know what I'm going to return because I don't know what it looks like yet. Rates. Actually, I can find out what it looks like right here. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this website. It's so bad. It's so bad. Generate a live rates request. Response shape looks like this. Results. Okay. Count? What's the count? Oh, geez, it's paginated. Is it at least ordered by something useful? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Array of objects, live rate. Are they going to be sorted in ascending order? Or am I going to just have to paginate? Oh, boy. This sucks. I would probably add a test for this function. Easily testable. Do you think that being old gives you a unique advantage when solving tough programming problems? Yeah, that's what I think. Clearly. My age is helping me out here. Welcome to chat, Vavka. Why are you using trackpad? What are the advantages for you over a mouse? You know, mice look really ugly to me, so I like a trackpad. I can't believe this is Dax, when you say a test, like a test that actually makes a call to shippo, is that what you mean? What are you talking about? Okay, so I need a certain amount of data, and I need to put this data in here. Weight, I calculated from that. Okay. So then the question is, are these actually paginated? The result, if I have to click on this one more time, I'm going to lose my mind. The result shape looks like this. just gonna copy that so I don't have to look at it anymore. I can't believe it's paginated. Surely I can just take the first one and it'll be the cheapest, right? You don't have to, but it might be useful if you're going to need to call this function a lot during development. Yes. Yes. Why are you using a try? Oh, we already answered that. Okay, the paginated thing has me depressed. Currency local, amount local. Well, let's just look at it. Let's just get one back. We'll make a test. Per dax shippo.test.ts. I'll just copy all this. Describe shippo. I don't even know how to run test dax. With test user set item. So the user will call what was it? Estimate shipping rate. Is that what it was? Yeah. Estimate shipping rate. Cart await shippo. Shippo is not in what? Import shippo from shippo or something. Dax, I say it again. Please don't create conflicts for me. I'm too fragile right now. What? Source shippo index. What? Oh, dot. Okay. So that's shippo. I'm going to delete all these other tests. Unless I need, no, there's just one other test. Okay, shippo estimate shipping rate, and you have to pass in a user ID, which I probably have up here. No. Oh, I guess I don't have to pass in anything because we can just do use user ID, right? I won't create conflicts. If you push, I can't push because it's broken. Nothing is done. Should we send confirmation? Yeah, maybe Dax. Then maybe we should move all our email to term.sh. I can't push Dax. It's not in nothing's in a working state. And when I push, then you end up pushing to prod. I just learned that I can't push stuff to dev. You might push it to prod. Push it real good. So this doesn't even need any of this. I don't need to pass in a user ID because, right? Because I can just use user ID. Assuming, I guess that's assuming no other thing will call this outside of a user context. Yeah, what do you think about that, Dax? Would you just use user ID in Shippo? Or would you assume that we might have some system thing that needs to estimate shipping rates outside of like user API calls later? Do you have opinions on that? Should this function take in the user ID? Or should I always use user ID? Okay. That doesn't work in the case of a system, right? Keep it safe? Okay. Or I guess, I don't know. We can impersonate or something. Okay. Async, and it doesn't need any of that. So it's just going to use user ID. I'll wire up all that code in a second. Let's go back to my test. System can provide the actor. Yeah. Okay. Is a user just assumed in here with test user? How's that work? Does it create a user? Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh, I do need to like set up some stuff here though. I need to create a cart. I should have copied. Well, I did copy cart. Did I not? Add shipping. What's this closest closely related to. What did you stand up in this? Create user. What? I have to like create a cart, right? Cart set item. I'll need to like do this outside the, yeah, that's right, right? Set item, right here. Okay, so that'll set a quantity. Wait, what's the quantity? Math.round, random times 10. Huh? PP? What are you talking about, PP? So if I set an item, then I can call estimate shipping rate, right? No, I have to set an address too. Dang. Gotta add an address. Oh, just like this. Right? Just like that. Didn't work. I thought I could do that. It didn't work. Okay, so if we have a shipping address and we have an item quantity, then we can estimate shipping rate. Right? I should make quantity a fixed number. Quantity should just be like 2 of them. And what is the cost of the product? Where are we? Product add variant price is $10. Okay. Const quantity equals 2. And then here. Okay. So if I know the price and the quantity and I have an address, then that should all work. I should be able to estimate shipping rate. Console.log. Oh, I'm already doing it inside there. So I'm just going to not expect anything. Expect true. I don't know. How do I run test stacks? How do I actually run the tests? Please tell me that while I actually fix the code. What's wrong with cart? What's wrong in here? Oh. So in Git, oh, we don't need to do that anymore. This is just going to be, so shipping is going to be on the table itself. Shipping is cart table.shipping amount. So this is when you do a get, we're just going to do this. Cart shipping. Number null. That can't be null, I guess. It can't be null, Dax. It can't be null. SST shell vitest in core. Okay, thanks. Hey, Dax. I'm trying. My brain's broken on this one too. Shipping has to have a number, but it can be null on the table. What do I do if it's null on the table? Error? Do we throw an error up here? This is on get cart though. It can't be 0. We don't just give free shipping just because we've made a mistake. It's like this is an issue in the code, right, Dax? If the shipping is null, just make it optional. Okay. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Cart null is not assignable. Nullable? Or do I do this? I'll do that. How's that? Yeah. That's what you said. I did it. I did what Dax said without Dax even having to say it. I guess there are 2 examples right here. But would you believe me if I said I was so tunnel visioned I didn't even see these? Literally didn't. Okay. Did you guys notice I made a midstream keyboard swap? Why am I so invested in this shippo response? Why are you so invested? Why are any of us so invested? Okay. I guess I do need to pass this information into the estimate stuff, right? Subtotal, ounces, and address. Yeah, I gotta pass an address. The shippo doesn't care about the subtotal, but the weight does matter. Okay, so I got all this, I fixed everything in that file. Let's go back down here. What's in here? Oh, we're calculating shipping in here. Can I come back to this one? So Dax, in the order, I don't have to calculate it because it's on the table, right? I just pull it from the table. Bro, you added a bug. He added a bug. 0 should be true. I'll go back. Calm down. Calm down. Where is it? Right here. So why would that be? Oh, only if it's null. If it's 0, it should be 0. I got it, guys. I got this pinning my bug. What's up, AJ? 0 can be whatever it wants to be. That's right. We fixed it. I'm so sad. You just stop. So Dax, here in order, I don't need to calculate it anymore. I can just pull it from const shipping equals. I can just pull it from up here, right? Do I have the cart table in scope? No, I gotta join it. Cart item table. What is this? It's just user ID, isn't it? Like that? Is that how you do it? Yeah, they can race condition us, but whatever. Whatever. Wait, who could race condition us? I don't return, like, the UI is not gonna return the confirm screen until, or you're saying through the API they could. Yeah, maybe through the API they could. Shipping amount, and then down here, shipping is, cart dot shipping. No, that's the address. What? Items. Oh, I'm already doing a. What is this? What is this cart search? Oh, I should just do it from here then. Why is that two separate queries? I don't know. I'm not gonna pretend to understand. I'm just gonna whatever. Shipping amount, cart table, shipping amount, and then down here, cart dot shipping amount. Okay. Could be null. What was it I was gonna do here? If shipping is null here, never mind. They can't raise conditions because there's one transaction for inserting the shipping amount. Yo, from Australia, welcome. Welcome, Bowie. Good morning, and also welcome, Games by Din. Chill stream, fellow mech enthusiast here. Hey, hey, running a PCB swap Vortex Racery with box pinks. NeoVim's great. Solja over on YouTube asks, are you using an ORM or is that raw MySQL TypeScript? It is Drizzle. We're using Drizzle. Good job. What did I do, Dax? What was my good job? Can you tell me what I do in this case? If shipping is null now, I feel like we're in trouble. If we get to this point, I think we should throw. I think we should say if not shipping, or if it'd be, this could be number or null. So if shipping equals null, throw new error, right? What would you do, Dax? Print problem fixed. Welcome to chat, Wixo. So if shipping is null, shipping amount not set. I don't know. What do you think, Dax? I feel like that's the only remedy here. Fail the order. If for some reason we don't have a shipping amount at this point, and it's time to convert the order, that should be a visible error though, probably. That should probably be a visible error. Why is this error just an error? But this one's down there is a visible error. What do you think, Dax? Hey, Dax, why'd you go quiet on me? I need you. This is when I need you. This is like, I'm in the core project. I need you. There's business logic being written. This is not my thing. It's not my thing, Dax. I build the pretty front ends. Screen looked like a stock photo because it was so perfect. What? Dax. Whatever. Use your business brain? Okay. My business brain says, I'm confused as to why you're throwing an error here. I guess, is this inside of try? No. The try is down here. Why would those be errors, but then down here you're gonna do a visible error? Shouldn't any error up here also be a visible error? You have run out of Dax credits for the day. Stickums, why the keyboard switch? I don't know, I've been wanting to use this one. I'm using the cable that belongs to this one. I have cables for all my keyboards, and I've been wanting to use it. Tej used this one in the early terminal days. Like the first stream when Prime and Tej were building, he was using this keyboard because I took it to Miami. And it's a little dirty. I need to clean it up. It's seen some outdoor weather. But anyway, Adam's business brand, how can we add a payment to this shipping functionality? Favorite fruit. Only throw visible error on things that shouldn't crash. Things that shouldn't crash. Let it crash. So this one is a crasher. Shipping's not set. But shouldn't we... yeah, I guess that shouldn't... I don't understand your sentence. On things that shouldn't crash. Okay. My favorite fruit is Adam. Let it crash. Okay, we're letting it crash. So now we set the payment based on the shipping amount, and then this is angry. Why is this angry? Because shipping amount. This is no longer this. It is a cart shipping amount. I got a lot of changes here, Dax. Oh, what's wrong with that? Because that still could be null. Oh, shipping. I wish TypeScript was better. I guess that was my fault. That was my fault. Okay. We fixed order. Now we can finish fixing our code. I mean, it's all our code, I guess. We can finish fixing this. So this query is totally different now. Undo, because I do actually need params. I need a Z object. And it needs a subtotal. I'm not going to do the subtotal. I don't think I need it. Weight, or I'll call it ounces. Ounces, a Z number. And then a address, which is a Z object. Sure. What is an address? What is an address? Oh, what did I do? Okay. How do I type the address? Let's do this. Bummer. Address is already a Zod thing? Oh, we did? Oh, it is. You're right. That's already a Zod object. I'm so dumb. Okay, cool. So we have an address and we have ounces. And from there, we can do everything we need to do. And I know the user ID. So I'm going to do from, instead of order table, it's from cart table. Good song. I miss this song. This is a good song. Order item table, it's going to be cart item table. My mission in life is just to get the approval of Dax. I want, one of these days, I'm going to do something and he's going to be like, wow, Adam, that was actually really smart. I'm like, thanks, Dax. Cart item table ID. Cart table, that's not it. It's not it. User ID. I guess I should just use user ID here. I guess I should just use user ID. Well, I'm going to use user ID down here. Why shouldn't I just do it like this? Why shouldn't I? Use user ID. We managed I mean, it's in some random place. Wait, I'm confused. Why is this querying from the DB? Dax, we have a bunch of data I have to get in order for me to make the call to live rates. I need the address. Oh, I already have the address. I need the line items. Are you saying I should just pass these in? I have to put the line items in here, you know? Do I, though? What's function util doing? Arg validation? Yes. Rude love, that's right. So Dax, are you saying I should just pass in everything I need so I don't have to go to the database? Because that's fine. I guess the only thing I needed was the quantity and the weight. What? I should take that as an input, otherwise this function won't work? Dax, calm down. You need to calm down. I'm worried about your blood pressure and stuff. Okay, fine. You know what? Fine. We're gonna just take all this in. We already have weight. Why wouldn't it work though? What do you mean? She is cousin. That's not real words. We never wrote it to the DB. Oh, you're right. Yeah. So what else do I need? This address 2 is just gonna be, I think it's the same shape. Name, street 1, street 2, city, province, no. Province, country, zip, phone, email. So I won't be able to do email, it's fine. It doesn't need the line items for the call. It says it does, Dax. What are you talking about? You're saying I can just put in one item with the weight? Welcome to chat, John McCarney. The I in Adam is for intelligence. Shit, maybe to say this. Oh, Teach is here. Wait, why did somebody copy you, Teach? What just happened? Okay, Dax is getting really upset. I know what he's upset about, because this was really stupid on my part. So input, we'll call this const shipping equals input dot address. And then all these can just stay the same. Shipping, but it's not, yeah, it is state, yeah, just like that. I'm not gonna put the phone in because we don't need it. I guess why would I take it out though? That's kind of weird. So address 2 is good. Line items, I just need a single item, I guess. Is that what Dax is getting at? I killed myself, I'm dead. Tedowski, welcome to chat. How do I configure Vim like this? My dot files are on the internet. Why are so many people copying you, Teach? Also, hi, Teach. Hi there. Line items is a thing I have to pass. I know what Dax is getting at. Like, I don't need to put individual items. That's not going to actually affect the rate, I don't guess. You make a lot of assumptions, though, Dax. If I'm being honest, you just assume a lot of things. Like, oh, that won't affect the price. They don't need to know the individual items. They do need to know the weight. The parcel has the weight. Never mind. Is line items not required? It's required. It is literally required, Dax. So you've lied, for one thing. I do have to have line items, but I guess I could just lump it all into one line item. Is that what you're getting at? Adam, this is the thing we talked about. You follow the rules. Yeah, I do. I'm a rule follower. You literally have to specify line items. I mean, you can say we can roll it up into one. That's fine. But we literally do have to... remember, I'm good at APIs or something. I'm good at part of this. I'll look to see if they can enforce the rules. So Dax, what would you suggest? They can't look in the box and see how many items are in the box. No, I get that. So like, quantity here can just be the total quantity. And then title does not matter. Coffee beans, whatever. Weight and the quantity. I do need the quantity though. Weight is input.ounces. quantity, I'm going to have to pass in, I guess. Right? Do I have to have the quantity? Or are you saying it doesn't matter, just set it to 1? No, it does matter. It does matter. It has to matter, right? Can't line items be an empty array? I thought they asked for total weight elsewhere. They do ask for total weight, but you don't think it affects anything? Why would it ask for all this data and then it not matter? I don't understand. Why would they ask? Enjoy coding. Thanks so much, Elia. Welcome to chat. What's an ounce? So Dax, why would they ask for all the line items if I don't need them? I'm just afraid that we're going to get estimates that don't match the end thing. I don't know why we have to specify all this, but I also don't know why I wouldn't. Total weight. They reuse, okay, because Shippo's API is stupid, they reuse the same object everywhere even if it's not relevant. So you think I can just literally make this an empty array? Let's try it. I mean, we're getting ready to call the API anyway, so let's just try. This is the dumbest website in the world. I hate it so much. It literally has to take up my whole screen to be usable. It's obnoxious. And it just changes what I have selected all the time. Oh my god, I hate it. Line items is an array. Okay, that's fine. So quantity, we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this for now. Dax says we don't need it. So line items. We're gonna see if we get rates back this way. So we already have input ounces, and then what else? We have our address from, we have our address to. So we just pass in ounces and address, and we get something back. And we return the rates. I'm just going to return all the rates for now. Okay. It's inside of a results. Well, that'll be good in a little bit. That's fine. Line items are only for packing slips. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Let's try it. So I think I already called this function. Do I not? No, I'm just in the test only. Okay, so here I got to pass in the ounces, which is just going to be quantity times 12. And the address, which is going to be what? Does add shipping return the address? No. I can just build up the address like this. Const address. I guess I don't even have to write this stuff. This doesn't matter. This function should work without writing any of this. I don't need any of this. Literally any of it. This function doesn't interact with our database. Okay. So quantity and address, that's it. Expect true. Cool. Let's run the test. Push the packages core. SST, what was it? SST, hey, what was the Vitesse thing? Snooze the ad. Dang it, I missed it. Oh, somebody snoozed it. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you, AJ. That was excellent snoozing. Excellent usage of snooze. Hey, Dax. Hey, Dax. What was the Vitesse? SST shell. Dax. Hello. I'm in a shell, and then I do what? Vitesse? Bun run Vitesse? Leave me alone. Bun Vitesse? I don't know. What am I supposed to do? I just want to run a test, Dax. Maybe you should put a script in here if you want us to be able to run tests. You know what I mean? Vitest. Vitest. Bun Vitest? Do I have to install it? You should give me very clear instructions. If I need to install a thing to run tests in our project, maybe you should tell me that. It's not installed? SST shell Vitest. SST shell Vitest. But Dax, it's not installed. What? SST shell Vitest. Yeah, do I have to install it? I exited the shell. Now, do I need to install Vitest? Dax, why would you not put it in our dependencies or something? Why do I have to just like straight up install something on my machine? Sounds like a workplace conflict. Do you want me to like brew install it? Like, what am I doing? What is Vitest? Why? Just add it to the dependencies. Bun add the Vitest. Is that it? See, how hard was that? SST shell Vitest. It's not gonna be in my path. Oh, is it? Does it just work now? Look at that. Probably removed it from our depths, but I didn't remove it. I didn't touch it. Okay. So test failed. Failed to load URL bun test. What? What? Heard it first. Adam remove the test. What's up, Sock? How you doing, Sock? Hey Dax, why what is this? Load and transform? Chunks? What's going on with chunks? Do I need to build or something? What is going on? I literally can't even build the tests. I can't work on these conditions. We weren't using the tests. What are we using for tests? Oh my word. Bun test. Oh my god. Dax. Dax. That's why the test wasn't added. Because bah. Push D packages core bun SST shell bun test. Oh my goodness. What's up, Estranged? Adam is so dumb he thought we were using test. I hate you so much. Oh, okay. 3 fails. I just want to run the 1 test. Although it is concerning that I've broken some other tests. Maybe. A little concerning. Shippo, estimate shipping rate. Where do I see the output? Does it give me any output? Nah. Nah. It feels bad that these tests failed. But I'm not going to worry about anything but my test. Test, Shippo test, card sync. Syncing 0 cards. Failed to parse JSON. What? What? You can just run your test file? Yeah, I'll do that next time. Okay, ads are actually going to start. You guys aren't going to miss anything fun because me and Dax just are yelling at each other. It's fine. Console log rates. How do I get logging in the tests? Or do I just need to do this? Const rates equals that. And then console log in here. Maybe if I do that. Maybe if I do that. What? SST shell. Bun test. And then what do I do? Like test shippo.ts. Can't believe Adam thought we were using the test. I hate you so much. Oh my god, Dax. Just you. You. Module not found, resolving. Is it source? Like, where is it? Did I just say shippo? What's the syntax for this? It's under source? No. It's under test. What's the syntax? Shippo test. Oh, I named the file wrong. Can't believe I thought I was using Vitesse because Dax told me we were using Vitesse. What's the deal here? Failed to parse JSON. What is this output? What is this output? Test. So card.sync. Still using Node, just using Bun as my package manager and test runner. First you removed a test, then added it back, and we weren't even using it. Stop it. I never removed it. It's important the viewers see you resolve this workplace tension. Hey Dax, just run your test. I did literally just ran my test, Dax. We're good. The problem is I don't get log output, and I want log output. Why don't I get log output? Is it not getting that far? It's not getting that far. Console.log made it. Is it giving log output? Is just failing? Yeah, it's failing before it gets there. So what JSON? What are you talking about, JSON? JSON? What? I'm calling API post live rates. And it's failing to parse JSON? Oh, right here. That's failing, maybe. Console.log. No, just R. Just run your test. Okay, there we go. We got an error back. What is it? Not found. Oh, V1 live rates is not it. I hate this website. It is the worst. It keeps taking me all over the place. I just want to be on this spot and stay there, no matter my browser width, for the love of all that is good in this world. What was that? I don't even remember what I was doing now. Post live rates. API go ship o V1 live rates. Is it not V1? Live rates. I'm posting to live rates. And I'm getting a 404. Check the curl command. Let's see. Good call. It's not V1. So all of our other APIs are V1, I guess. And this one is not V1. That's fun. Root is going to have a V1 on it. Sure does. Okay. Well, what if I removed root, or remove V1 from root? I think I need to. I think I just need to do this. And then every other call to API needs to include, oops. Every other call is going to have to include V1. That kind of sucks, but also I don't know what else to do. Okay. Ads are about to start. Okay, we're going to have ads. I thought the ads already happened. Did we snooze them again? Maybe we snoozed them again. We're actually going to just bite the bullet and do the ads, okay? It's ad time. So I'll just like chill. I'll just come talk. Well, they're starting in 43 seconds. I'm not going to stop now. I can run the test again. Okay. Shippo API could not process your requests. It's unfortunate. Why? 400 bad requests. Maybe it's because I passed empty line items, Dax. I don't know. Maybe that's it. Telling me to use empty line items. Okay, ads are going to start in 10 seconds. You guys, maybe you should just give up. I'm not going to give up. Log the body, dummy. I know what the body looks like. I don't need to log it. You're not going to miss anything. I'm just going to be fumbling around with this, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay? I'll see you soon, ads people. Did that earlier when he threw away all the whip. I literally did. The response body? No, I see what the problem is, Dax. It doesn't like... Oh, you're saying there's probably an error in there? Okay, fine. Fine. Where was that? In here. R.body. R.text. Can I do that? Okay, let's try that. People are watching ads. By the way, SSC shell butt test watch U file. That's gonna read the body twice and fail. I know it's gonna fail. It's already failed. I don't care. Oh, it's not gonna give me the thing though. Yeah, give me the body. I just needed the body. I don't care if it fails after that. Big brain move. I know what I'm doing, Dax. Can't believe the ad scrubs missed the vital part of the screen. This is very vital, yeah. I know how responses work. Message, Shippo API cannot process your requests. That's all it says. That's literally it. It just can't, okay? Oops. Okay, so it's because I tried to do the DAX thing, which is not follow rules, and you know what? That's not a good idea. So let's see what happens now. Bummer. 100% it still breaks. Oh, Dax. Why are you so filled with vitriol? Line item, so what's wrong? Let's look at the thing. Let's look at the thing. Live rates. Rates at checkout. Live rates request. Address from. Name, street 1. City. State. Country. Zip. All that looks fine. Address 2. Name. Company. No, it doesn't matter. Street 1. City. State. Country. Zip. Phone. Oh, maybe phone can't be on there. That'd be funny if that's what it was. Let's try the line items. Let's do one thing at a time. Watching you code, I'm finally realizing why white privilege is real. Okay. Log to request body. Yeah, I think that's a good idea too. What's the deal with the white privilege comment? What do you mean? Like, I'm only in my position because I'm white. Is that what you're trying to tell me right now? Are you that racist, Dax? Are you that racist against my people? Okay, let's log the request body. Why not? Dax says we should log the request body, so let's do it. Down here, I can just say console.log body. Dax is so racist. Your code made me racist. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Okay. What did I do here? I logged the body. So body address from, that looks good. Address 2. I wonder if street 2 undefined matters. No, it should just leave it out of the JSON, right? City, country zip. Okay, line items, parcel. Okay, and they can't give me something better than Shippo API cannot process your requests. Oh, come on, Shippo. Come on, Shippo, get it together. I love finding this in the menu every single time. That's great. Do I have to have a default parcel template? Assign one of your user parcel templates to the default used when generating libraries. Simply use default when generating libraries unless you explicitly provide a parcel, and I am explicitly providing it. So that sucks. Okay, let's look at our body and just see, is it different? So like on the line items, we have an empty one, but they have actual data in it. That could be an issue. And then in the parcel, length. Oh, we have numbers. They have strings. Ah, is that the issue? That could be the issue. Could be it. What is that tweet? They were fine with numbers on the other endpoint? Yeah, but maybe they're not fine on this one. I don't know. I can't explain Shippo's ways. I don't know. I don't understand, but I'm gonna do it. Let's try it. It's worth a shot at least, right? What is your tweet, Dax? Can you just sum it up for me? So that didn't fix it. Oh, although we have different... What is this about? Why did the output change? What? Okay, JSON stringify that thing. What? Here. What happened here? Why did the message... Wait, what? Did I not just JSON stringify this? Is that not where it's actually getting... It's up here when I rates here. JSON stringify. Rates. Those kind of tweets get you canceled in the UK nowadays. What'd you say? Line items must have at least one line item specified. F you, Dax. F you. It was the strings. And we do have to have line items. I'm glad we just lost 30 minutes. Oh, hey, everyone's back from ads now. You guys can see that Dax is a liar. What happens if you omit the field? Oh my god. If that works, I'm kind of going to hate Shippo. I mean, I already do hate Shippo, but I'm really going to hate Shippo. No, it has to have something in there. So let's put something in there. What do you say? What do you say we just put something in there? Can we get a response? No. Shippo API could not process your request. Probably because I put numbers on it. Oh my god. Why? Why? Why are they so... Oh! This is so dumb if it's the numbers thing. I feel bad because somebody on Twitter reached out to me that works at Shippo and said something, and now I'm trashing them like crazy. Did I save that? I bet we're missing fields. They just don't want to tell us about it. Like, now that we put a line item, they're just not happy with the line item, but they're not going to tell us why. We're going to have to figure that out through trial and error. This is so fun. Okay, so quantity, let's just do everything they have. Oh, that is a number. So that's a number. Total price, do I have to put that? Do I have to put currency? What's required here? Line items. Do any of these say required? None of them say required. Oh my god, it's the worst. Quantity, total. I'm just gonna do this, I guess. Price. And then I'm gonna slowly start eliminating them until it works again. Currency, USD. That one's easy enough to just include. Weight is fine. String, yeah. Title. And then manufacturer country, I'm just going to leave those off because I have a feeling those would be optional. I don't know what that feeling is based on. There was an issue with your request. No shipping options were found for the user. Ensure at least one exists and that you have an active Shippo membership? Huh? Huh? What happens if you omit the field? Are you sure this is the right endpoint? What do you mean? I mean... It is an endpoint. I don't know if it's the right endpoint. No shipping options were found for the user. Ensure at least one exists and that you have an active Shippo membership. 400. Do we have to have this default parcel template? I don't think so, because I'm actually like providing a parcel template. And that's not what they say. They say shipping options were found for the user. It would have auth, like the key and everything, right, Dax? Like, I'm using SSC shell. So it would have secrets. You should be hitting shipments. No, Dax, what? I wasn't trying to create a shipment. I'm trying to use the live rates API. They have an API for doing estimates in the cart. That's literally what it's called, rates at checkout. You don't think I should use this? Bad VIP. That's right, Space Fit. Welcome to chat. You think I should use shipments over the thing called rates at checkout? Because I'm fine with that. It's just this looked like the thing that we should do. If we do what you're saying, then we should create the shipment and then do the transaction against the rate ID subsequently. Ugh. Is that what you think I should do, Dax? Just tell me if that's what you think I should do and I'll do it. No, we don't have to do that. We can throw away the shipment. Oh, so just continue doing the way we're doing the order. Just continue that, but it's going to create extra shipments in the Shippo UI, right? Right? You okay with that? Oh. Oh. Hang on. Might have a production issue here. Oh, come on. Drive me crazy. Why can't I literally just type an address and not have Google take over? I don't want Chrome. There we go. What's the problem? Where did you find live rates in the doc stacks? Oh, they have a. Oh my god, they have a document that says don't use this API. This is gonna be awesome. I hate Shippo. Oh my god, I hate them. Get rates. To get rates for specific carriers, create a shipment, specify the carriers we use, and get rates as you usually would. Expected response will include a list of rates generated from only the carrier specified in the carrier account list. So I can just do that and throw away the shipment because that sounds great. I'll do that. I'll do that. Shipment isn't a thing in Shippo UI? Okay. Look at these hands, Adam. Look at them. What? Oh. you want to buy the coffee and I'm not giving it to you yet. Okay. I do still see it. What browser are you using? Firefox, then I think Firefox as www. I'm using Chrome. Hey, can everybody go to statnews.com and tell me if you get some weird redirect? Because I'm getting redirected to www and I don't know if that's the problem. Like, not www, just type statnews.com and do you get... a weird redirect? I don't. I just don't. I get redirected to www. I get a virus. Oh, okay, cool. You get null? I go to statnews.com/redirect. Yeah. Oh, that's what they're saying. Why doesn't mine do that? Try an incognito. Yeah, maybe try that. Let's see, statnews.com. It's not doing it for me. Doesn't mean it's not an issue. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to get off here and deal with this. Do we have any deploys recently? Yes. This morning at 1:14 a.m. What was that code? Ads. Hmm. Oh, here's another commit. Doesn't make sense though. Thanks on the Proken Perut. Yeah. Stat down. It's still up in Europe. Is it an SST issue? Dax, is it? Could you tell me if it is? Some people are getting redirected to www, and some people are getting a weird null thing. Dax, help, fix it. Internal redirect. Okay, I'm gonna go and hop off stream and deal with this stuff. You got redirected to Dax. I'm gonna start looking at some AWS logs and other things, and I'll just be fuzzy the whole time, and that'll get really annoying. So, it's been fun, as per usual. Fun. We streamed today to so many places. We were on YouTube. We were on Twitter and Twitch. I mostly see the chat. AWS here readers. Yeah, exactly. I gotta throw my cape on, jump in the phone booth. I'm sure we'll raid someone. I think is Prime streaming. Somebody we'll raid somebody. It'll be good times. Thanks everybody for showing up, for chatting. And except for Dax. Dax sucks. I hate Dax. It's been fun. Maybe we could do it again sometime.